Amazon Alexa content can be played using the MMI touchscreen and the voice recognition system in your Audi. No home Alexa devices are necessary. It resides within your vehicle. To use Alexa, the vehicle must have a primary user assigned and be logged into an active My Audi account in the vehicle. Registration of the primary user must be completed by an authorized Audi dealer. To use Alexa features, with the vehicle in park, select User, My Audi Login, then enter the username and password for a registered My Audi account. Agree to link the My Audi account to the Amazon Alexa account. Then agree to the Alexa Voice Services disclaimer. A QR code and a unique password will appear. If the web address is entered into a device manually, enter this password as well, or use a compatible smartphone to read the QR code. A link to the Amazon login site will appear on the smartphone. Select it. Enter the Amazon username and password. Then log in. The smartphone will display an Audi Alexa Integration Access request. Select Allow. The MMI touchscreen will verify the Alexa connection. Once activated, use Alexa features by briefly pressing the voice recognition button. After the tone, say Alexa and the desired request. Alexa, what is the weather forecast for tomorrow?
Here is the weather report for Troy.
Alexa will remain active until the My Audi account is logged out or the Alexa connection is disconnected. The Amazon Alexa connection provides convenient access to information and entertainment.